First line from unpacking station, sieving, and then dosing. After dosing, then here's a vacuum conveyor, and mixer, then hopper to this packing line. 25 kg packing, sewing, and change the direction, metal detector, and then fertilizer all together. This is automatic starch powder filling line, 25 kg. In Algeria, in our customer site. They start from dumping station, weaning, dosing, and mixing. After mixing, then the packaging. Dumping, weaning, then mixing. After that, packing, and then sealing. Turn the bag and metal detector all line.